Welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who likes to share content across platforms, today's tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the option to share your Facebook story directly to Instagram. This feature allows you to seamlessly post your stories on both platforms, making it easier to reach all your followers at once. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your stories. Step 2. Once you're in, tap on Create Story at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the story creation section. Step 3. Now, look for the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on this icon to open your story settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, you'll see the option Always Share to Instagram. Toggle this setting on to enable the automatic sharing of your Facebook stories to your Instagram account. And that's it. You've now enabled the setting to share your Facebook stories directly to Instagram. From now on, whenever you post a Facebook story, it will automatically be shared with your Instagram followers, saving you time and effort. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.